You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very important price chart on the 3 days time frame here. And then if you go over to the 4-hour chart at this point, Bitcoin is approaching this key supply level at this area, which is also a very strong resistance level. So we could possibly see a turn from here to the downside. Look at the Bitcoin dominance right here. We are not seeing a breakout on this resistance. And what will that mean to traders right at the moment? So all of this and more information in today's video. So watch the video till the end. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. So let's dive right into today's video. If you look at the 3 days chart here, you discover something very important on this time frame, is that when we were in this bear market to the downside, we see the MACD come right down into this area, and exact same thing, this very bear market which we are tending to move out of right now, the MACD is at the same point as where it were before with this same price action. Right now what we are seeing on the MACD is that we are looking at this very MACD line, which is the blue line, about crossing the signal line, which is the red line, and then making the market tend to the upside at this very area. And not only that, we are seeing the histogram on the MACD start formation at this very point on the positive side of the MACD, which is also a very important bullish signal on the long term. So right now what I am looking out for on the long run is that Bitcoin should pump to the upside. This may take weeks and months for Bitcoin to ride far way up to the upside, but this is a very strong bullish signal and it's a very good point to buy BTC, although this is not a financial advice. Also, if you look at this area, you find a very important divergence on the 3 days chart here. If you draw from the indicator from this area, then you move the line to this area, and then if you draw again on the chart, you see there is a very clear divergence on this chart at this very point. So we see the market come right down, and then the indicator is tending to the upside at this very area. This is a bullish divergence, and if you look at this area, after this move, we see the market move from here to the upside, and this has not happened before from this area to this point. This bullish divergence also means that we would see a drop in sellers momentum, that is bearish momentum, and an increase in bullish momentum after the divergence, and that is exact same thing we see right at this point with this very move after this very divergence. So this is very important, and this is also a signal that Bitcoin is going to move far way up on the long run. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC in the longer term. So if you come back right there on the 4-hour time frame, you discover Bitcoin is approaching this very key territory on this very area of strong supply at this area. We see the market move from here right down, and then we see a retracement to the upside, and the market crash back down at this area. You see, this was a very strong selling pressure on this area. So that also means that sellers are also likely waiting at this point and ready to kick the market right down as markets approach this very area. And also, if you look at it, we have strong resistance here in the past, strong resistance here, and also it will not be an exception for market to be resisted as we are seeing right now in the market. So what I am expecting is that market should retrace back down from this level before we see the next move to the upside. If market break this resistance, I want to see a very strong bullish pressure that will move the market to the upside with a bullish momentum. That means with a very strong bullish candle on this very move, that will also signify that the bulls are very strong to move the market to the upside. That means disgracing the sellers that are waiting at this level, ready to kick the market right down. So that is what I am looking out for right now on the immediate short term in the next coming days. Not only that, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, we have seen a fail in the Bitcoin dominance chart right here, fail to create a new high that is breaking this very strong level at this area, which is very important, and we see the market tend to move right to the downside at this area. This is also an indication, if we continue to see the market go right down, Bitcoin will not take that very much to start moving to the downside on the immediate short term. So this is what I am looking out for right now on the Bitcoin price. The first one is the market should go right down in the form of a retracement because of this supply level, and then if we see the market break this level with a strong momentum, that also means that market should move straight to the upside. So what do you think Bitcoin is going to do at this very key important resistance level, which is also a supply level? Comment below. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. And then if you're not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit and KuCoin, please check the description of this video right now and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.